Hello everyone, once again welcome to this new video. Today we are going to learn last part of the lesson, exclamatory sentences. Before we read it, you will have to know what is exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, sudden feelings of heart are expressed as which we scream without knowing anything. As instead of a thorn, you scream loudly, ooh, ah, alas, hurrah. These are expressor of heart. So, we are going to learn exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, sudden feelings of heart are expressed. There are some here. Hurrah, aha, oh, aha. Express joy. Alas, ah, oh. Express sorrow. Better express praise. What, how, express surprise. So, these are sudden feelings of heart which are expressed in exclamatory sentences. So, what will we do while changing it into indirect speech? At first, change, this is rule first, change reporting one into exclaim with joy or exclaim with delight. If it express sense of joy, that means hurrah, aha, oh, aha are used, then you will have to change reporting verb into exclaim with joy or exclaim with delight. Second, change reporting verb into exclaim with sorrow or exclaim with grief if it express sense of sorrow. when it express the sense of praise, change it as following. Change reporting one into if this condition, change reporting one into exclaimed with applause or praise saying that or applauded saying that plus noun. When plus noun, if you are not using claim with applause but praise saying that or applauded saying that, and if it express the sense of surprise, change reporting one into exclaimed with surprise or only exclaimed. See here examples. They said, "Hurrah! We have won the cup." I said, "Alas, she died so young." Raju said to me, "You have done well." He said, "What a beautiful building the Taj is." You said, "How foolish I am." See here, they says here hurrah is used, that means it expresses the sense of joy. So it will change the reporting one into exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with delight. They exclaimed with delight. You can also put here joy, and that it will be removed. Start from here. We is first person. First person is changed according to the subject of reporting one, and the subject of reporting one is they. So put here they. Have will be changed into had because it is in present perfect tense, and present perfect tense is changed into past perfect while changing a direct into indirect if reporting verb is in past tense and reporting verb reported speech is in present perfect tense. Then present perfect is changed into past perfect tense. So have of present perfect will be changed into had of past perfect. They had owned the cup. That's all. I said here last is used, that means it expressed the sense of sorrow. I exclaimed with sorrow that. She is third person, that means she will be not changed. She will be put the same. She died, sorry. This is past indefinite tense, and past indefinite tense is changed into past perfect tense. That means had will be used here, and the verb of past indefinite will be changed into verb third, died. She had died so young. Raju said, sorry, Raju. See here, if the sense of applause is used, we can change reporting verb three types. First, exclaim with applause, praise saying that, applauded saying that. I am telling you all these three. See here attentively. Raju exclaimed with applause. That me will be come here in you. It will be changing to I because you is second person is changed according to the object of reporting verb, and here object of reporting verb is me, but here me is in objective case and here you is in nominative case. That means you will be changed into nominative case and me will turn into I. I had done well. In this sense, Raju exclaimed, Raju praised me, saying that I had done well. हाँ 11 दोनों का ठीक ठीक। नेक्स्ट, राजू अपलोडेड me saying that I had done well. This is solution of this. Now see here, what and how. If what and how are used in exclamatory sentences, they are changed into very or great. How and what are changed into very or great according to the sense. And here reporting verb is changed into exclaim, only exclaim. How? He exclaimed that. See here attentively. Now is here. Now will come here in the beginning of the sentence. So put here the Taj. The Taj was, what will be changed into very, very beautiful building. He explained that the Taj was very beautiful building. Here it was, what a beautiful building the Taj is. It will be changed into indirect. He exclaimed that the Taj was very beautiful building. Next, you exclaim that. Bring here I at first. I is first person, according to you it will be changed into you, because first person of reported speech is changed according to the subject of reporting verb, and the subject of reporting verb is here you, and so you will be put here, I will be changed into you, and this is, and that means it is helping verb of present continuous tense. If reporting verb is in past tense and reported speech is in present continuous tense, then it is changed into past continuous tense, and the helping verb of past continuous tenses are was and were. Because here subject is you, and with you were is used. That means you will have to put here were. You were, how will be changed into great? You were a great fool. This is all for exclamatory sentences. Hope you will be read it carefully and prepare well. Some students were claiming me part 8 of narration is missing from YouTube channel. So I want to revise it once again in same video here. So we are going to learn part 8, sentences containing let. The rest part of imperative sentences. Although it was part 11, but by some reason part 8 is missing. That means we are going to learn part 8 of narration. In part 8 of narration, we had read sentences containing let. This is the rest part of imperative sentences. As I have told you, let express the sense of proposal or suggestion. If let express the sense of proposal or suggestion, then what will be the condition? Condition will be let is found with us. If let is with us, that means it expresses the sense of proposal or suggestion. So what will we should do? we should change at first, change reporting verb into proposed or suggested if it express the sense of proposal or suggestion. Change reporting verb into proposed or suggested. Second, put that before reported speech. Third, change let into should and us into we or they. Put they first, then should. That means you will have to replace them. How? Let is here, us is here. Let will be changed into should and us will be changed into they or we, and they are replaced now. Let went here, us came here. So put they first, they or we. Put they or we first, then should. Apply other necessary changes also. How? See here the examples. She said to me, let us go out for a walk. I said to her, let us read our books. Change reporting verb into proposed or suggested. She proposed. You can put here suggested also. Any of them, proposed or suggested. She proposed me that. Now change let into should, us into we are there, and put they or we at first. They should go out for a walk. You can put here we also. I proposed her that we should read. Here our was possessive of us, so here also will be used our because we are using here we. We should read our books. Clear? Next sense of sentences containing let is order. If reporting verb express the sense of order, that means it comes alone, not with us. So change reporting verb into ordered, commanded, demanded, etc. Use that or without that. How I will tell you. Use that or without that. See example. The judge said, "Let the culprit set free." Let the culprit set free. That means judge is giving order. The judge ordered that the culprit should set free. Or without that, the judge ordered to let the culprit set free. Both of the rules are correct. You can use any of them. Order, request. Request means change reporting or into requested. See straight example. I said to her, "Let me go home, please." You can also use here that or without that. How? I requested her that. If you use that, I requested her that, me will be changed into I, because according to I, me will be changed into I. This is first person. First person is changed according to subject of reporting one. The subject of reporting one is I. So put here I, and use one and a new thing might be allowed to. Note it into your mind. Might be allowed to. This thing will be in your mind. I might be allowed to go home. And please remove. If you not want to use that, then I requested her. Then change let into to let. It was changed into orders. Her to let me go home. So guys, this was part 8 of narration. Remaining part of imperative sentences. Today we have finished narration. In next videos we will start synthesis. you will read class 11th students will read anything synthesis which they have not read even today. Enjoy your studies. Have a nice day. Bye.